Welcome back everybody. I'm Kalani, this is World Drum Club. In this video, I'm going to show you two different patterns for 3 congas, and I think you can use both of them. And you can play this on 1 drum or 2 drums, but I'm going to show you 3 drums because why not? Welcome back. I've got a set of 3 congas here. Quinto, conga, tumba, center, left, and right. They're tuned how they're tuned. I'll be showing you this from multiple angles. Let's listen again, take a closer look, and I'll have the woodblock on kind of the half note. 1, 2, 3, 4. We will slow it down, don't worry. So those of you who are paying attention will notice that not only are we playing 2 different patterns in general, but we can also mix and match those patterns to get 4 or more variations. All right, so what are we doing? First off, we're kind of using the basic conga marcha pattern or tumbao, right? You guys know this pattern. Right? Now, if you're not familiar with how to play this pattern, which I call marcha, some people just call it the basic conga tumbao. It's like basic time. If you're not familiar with that, click the video link below that says marcha pattern. I have a video on how to play that. I recommend you become familiar with that first, but proceed at your own risk. Do whatever you want. All people are welcome. All right, so we're going to use that as a foundation. And let's get right into what makes this unique and interesting. So first of all, you see that I've got a conga on each side. I've got the quinto in the middle. I've got the conga on the left, tumba on the right. You could mix that up. You could put the tumba on the left and the conga on the right. Doesn't really matter. What we're doing is we're outlining what we sometimes call the bomba rhythm. The dun, gun, dun, 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 gun, dun, bum, right? Like it's like clave, di, 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 bam, bam. But we're doing it every time. Bam, 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 bam. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna play that accent on each side, left first and then right. You know, with the left hand and then the right hand. So watch this again, and I'll break it down. Don't worry. We're gonna go tone by tone, but for right now, I'm just gonna do it a little more slowly. And listen and watch. Here we go. A little slower. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... And here's the double. Dun, dun. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. All right, let's start with the single. We'll call that single and double versions. All right, so what are we doing? Let's go from the beginning. How we start is a little bit different, so let me get into it and we'll look at it from the beginning of kind of when we're in the rhythm. So we're gonna do a hand finger and a slap, close slap. All right, so left, left, right, pretty basic. And then we're gonna go to the left, 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 right, left. And now kind of a closed tone, muted tone. And since we're going to the right, I wanna do a right, left, kind of a just closed. You can also do bass tones there, it doesn't really matter. I'm just doing touches or closed muted tones. And then, well then, we're gonna do our regular tumbao. So I just did hand, finger, slap, tone, and then a muted, and then a bass. And then tone, tone. All right, so we could repeat that. If you want to just practice that, you can. Or, I think I like the touches better. Hand, finger, slap, tone, touch, touch, tone, tone. All right, work on that, rewind, watch it again, practice. Did you guys know you can slow videos down on YouTube, right? If you're watching on YouTube, go down to the settings, or I think it's the gear, and you can select the playback speed. All right, so if that's too fast for you, go down, slow it down. Take it down as slow as you need to. All right, let's go to the other side. It'll be similar, a little different. So hand, finger, slap, tone. Now we're doing 2 rights in a row there. And now, instead of touch, touch, like we did on the left, we're just gonna do hand, finger. So it's a little more simple. And to our 2 tones. So hand, finger, slap, tone, hand, finger, tone, tone. You guys got it? I think you got it. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and add the first bar in the top, right here. Second bar. First bar. Second bar. Let's go to the other view. Hey. I'm going to take it up a little bit. Hey, I thought you said a little. That's a lot. Sounds good though, doesn't it? I love this. All right. All right, now, that's our single hit, right? Single melodic hits. Let's go to the double. Same thing, but a little different. Let's look at it. Look and listen first. Here we go. All right. So what's different is that we've got, oh, let's do this. Hello. So I can talk to you guys while we're doing. I know I'm in front of the tuba. It's okay, don't worry. We're going to focus on the left side. Right side, not so much of an issue. But left side, we're doing 3 lefts in a row. Watch. All right, so hand, finger, slap, tone, tone, touch, or bass, or hand. Whatever you want to call it. I don't care. All right, so it's a left, left, right, left, 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 right, right. And again, you can practice this on its own. All right. Let's go to the other view so you can see all 3 drums now. Now I'll do the right side with the double hit. Here we go. So in this case, we're still going to have our left before the 2 tones. Right, right, left, right, right. So no longer 3 lefts in a row. You guys ready? Let's put it together. Oh, that was a single. Let's do the double. All right, a little faster. Wait. All right. Now, I know some of you are going to put in the comments, hey, Kalani, what's the pedal you're using? What's the beater you're using? What are you hitting down there, over here? I can hear it, but I can't see it. And now I'm curious. And my curiosity is causing me anxiety because I don't know something that I want to know. So I'm going to tell you, I'm going to show you right now. Do you see? Am I right? Give me a thumbs up if I'm right. All right, I'm going to show you guys what I'm using. Ooh. It's a bass drum pedal. I've got the Farmer foot drums, tri beater with I'm using the soft little furry end. I could also flip this around and use the felt side. I could also, I'm not gonna use the wood. It's too hard. So you know what? I'll leave it on the felt side for the rest of the video. And I have a little Tycoon tempo block attached to the pedal. All right, that's what's happening down there. Let's listen to the felt sound. Yeah. A little louder, a little more percussive. All right, so let me show you the variations. And before I get to that, I just want to say thank you for being patrons, if you're a patron of the channel. If you're not, visit us at patreon.com/Kalani and become a supporter of the channel. We are a publicly supported channel. That's how it works. It's like your public radio station, your public TV. We rely on contributions from viewers like you. Exactly like you. Not even just like you. You. Uniquely you. So please chip in if you get value from this. That's how we do the exchange. I give you the video first, and then you leave a little bit in the tip jar, so to speak. It's just like when you go to a meeting and there's coffee and there's like, you know, don't take the coffee without putting any money in. Don't be that person. All right, so if you're getting something out of this, go to patreon.com/Kalani, sign up. All right, thank you for doing that. At the very least, well, in addition to doing that, click the thumb, hit the bell or the block so you get notifications, and subscribe. For heaven's sake, subscribe to the channel. All right, now, as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, you guys can mix and match, right? We've got a single or double strike on both sides as an option, but it doesn't have to be both single, single, or double, double. You can do the single first, you can do the double first, and then do a single, or do the double or single first, and then, or the double first, and then, what am I saying? You can switch it around. Let's listen. All right, let me show you. Let's do the single on the left, and then the double on the right. All right? Here we go. Here we go. Right? Now the other way. Double first. That's it, you guys. What was your favorite one? Leave it in the comments. Let's vote. What was your favorite combination? Single, single, double double. Oh, now I'm hungry. Single double. Those of you from California, West Coast will get that double double reference. All right. If you know what that is, leave it in the comments and you'll win worthless points. So what was your favorite? Yeah, single, single, double, double, single, double, or double, single. Is that too many choices? All right, you guys, I appreciate you for stopping by World Drum Club. I'm Kalani. Again, join us over at patreon.com/Kalani. We also have a live stream every Tuesday called Tuesday Muse Day from 5 to 6 Pacific time. Live stream here on the channel. Join us. All right, enjoy this pattern. See you guys later.